Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I have a how to kill a kit with style video, and this month we are using alphas and we're doing a stash dive, so using up our old stash. And if you saw my previous video on where I built the kit for this series, if not, I will have it linked below. But I went through my sticker stash of alphas and I have so many really old ones, and I came across this one. And then as I was going through papers to put with my sticker sheets, I came across this kit that I'd already put together of the photos and some embellishments and a couple of sheets of patterned paper. So I thought, well, these stickers are meant to go with this kit, so I'm going to create a layout using these stickers and whatever I had. Now, I'd already cut out using, I think this was, I don't know if it was my Cricut before, after I got my Cricut, before I got my Cricut, I don't know, it could have been my scan and cut. But I found these cool boots, army boots, I think they're meant to be, or hiking boots. So I cut out them, they were already in the kit. It didn't cut perfectly, but it doesn't matter, I'm not going to worry about it. And the cardstock I used is like a light cream or brown core. So where it tore, it shows a bit of that core. And some of the bits didn't punch out properly, but I'm not going to worry about that. It gives the theme and the idea of what I'm trying to portray. And then I'd also cut out this cool tank. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to get on with it. I'm going to fast forward you, put music over the top, and I'm going to see what I can create with this double page spread. I've already mounted the photos on white and then black, and I seem to be at the moment in the phase of double mounting my photos. So anyway, let's see what I can create. Enjoy. Okay, there is my completed layout. I was thinking I'd be able to finish this whole sheet of stickers, you know, but there's a lot more on there than I thought. I hadn't really used many of them before. So I'm in two minds. Do I throw them out? Do I keep them? Let me know. I probably can't make words out of them now. And my initial thought was to make words out of these, like army, tank, things like that. But then I realized I didn't have enough of the vowels or the right letters, and it was going to take way too long to work that out. So I used them for my heading, and then just did a random collection of the letters, which is meant to be either like your jumbled, like when you think military, jumbled code that they, what's it called? They had it in the World War II, I think it was. You know, they have jumbled codes and you have to decipher them, that sort of thing. That's what that is meant to sort of represent. Now, I did start to stick them up here and then realized, oh, I'm not going to fit military up here. It's quite a longer word than I thought. So then I peeled them off and they tore the cardstock. So they actually have a bit more stick than I thought they would. So then I thought, well, I'll just make, that's when the idea came that, well, I'll just make a jumbled letters instead of trying to make words with them. And I was going to do that down here. So my heading initially was going to be up here with the tank, and this was going to be journaling down here. But then when it tore the cardstock, I thought, well, I need to pivot, and I put my heading down here, and that meant my jumbles of letters now were over here with the tank. Journaling will now go either here or probably over here. So there we go. It's nice and simple. I don't want to add too much because there is quite a lot on there. It's busy already with the brick stenciling down the side and the lots of photos and all those letters. So there we go. That's my first killer kit with style, using my really old alphas. So these are Reminisce, Genuine Boy, no copyright date, but yeah, they have to be mid 2000s, early 2000s, something like that. But anyway, there you go. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all about what I've used, or any questions at all, please pop them below and I'll be only too happy to answer them. If you have enjoyed this, make sure you check out below everyone else who is playing along with this How to Kill a Kit with Style series. There's a playlist below. And yeah, you'll be really inspired on how to use your old stuff. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this, hit that thumbs up button, give me a like. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing so you know when my next video comes out. And if I could talk proper, that'd be even better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.